Hello and welcome to How to Play Washer Toss, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the yard game Washer Toss. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 2 or 4 players. To play, you will need a Washer Toss game set. Thanks to Go Sports for providing the Washer Toss game set used in this tutorial. A Washer Toss set has 2 washer target boxes and 8 washers, 4 in each color. The target boxes are placed 20 feet apart. This distance can be changed based on player ability. The game can be played 1 versus 1, where players will throw from one end to the other, then switch ends, or 2 versus 2, where teammates will stand across from each other. The object of the game is to score points. Points are scored by throwing your washers into the target box. The game begins with players alternating throwing their washers to the target box. The washers can be thrown any way the player chooses. Once each player has thrown all their washers, the round is over. 3 points are scored for a washer in the center pipe. 1 point is scored for a washer in the box. No points are scored for washers outside the box. Here, both red and blue have 2 washers in the box. Each round, the scores are netted, so here the 2 points for both teams net to 0. Neither team scores points for this round. Here, blue has 1 washer in the center pipe for 3 points and 2 washers in the box for an additional 2 points for a total of 5 points. Red has 2 washers in the box for 2 points. The scores are netted. 5 minus 2 equals 3 points. Blue scores 3 points for this round. The first team to get 21 points or more wins the game. A washer is allowed to bounce into the box. If a washer lands and stays on the edge of the box, the throwing player automatically wins the game. The game can be played where a player or team must land on 21 points exactly to win. If a player or team goes over 21 points, they go back to 15 points. The skunk rule can be played where if a player or team scores 11 or more points before their opponent scores any points, they win the game. That wraps up How to Play Washer Toss. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.